Welcome. In this tutorial, we will help you understand some of the basic steps you can take to manage your Merit Professional Record. Together, we will review how to update information in your Merit Professional Record. This includes updating personal data, health and safety records, and employment information. We will also review the process for verifying and recording education in Merit. Let's get started by taking a look at a professional record page. Right now, we are looking at the dashboard of a new Merit user who is registered and applied for a unique STARS ID number, but has not yet added any information to their Merit account. To get to the professional record, you can click the link at the top of the page. Now, if you are a licensed early learning provider, your dashboard may look different. However, that's okay, because regardless of what your dashboard looks like, you will always access the professional record in the same way, by clicking the link at the top of the page. You may be wondering, what is a professional record? Essentially, it is where most account information is stored and managed. This includes personal data, health and safety information, employment information, and state-approved training history. A common question that is asked is, how can I update my personal information in my Merit account? Most information in the personal data section of a Merit Professional Record can be edited by the account owner. This includes email, contact information, and address. However, some information can only be edited by a Merit administrator at DCYF. This includes name, gender, or date of birth. This is because this information can be linked to a portable background check. To update a name, gender selection, or date of birth, you must provide a scanned or photographed copy of one of the following identification types listed here to the Merit System Navigation team. Please be aware that depending on the current volume of incoming inquiries, response times may fluctuate. We encourage everyone to submit information for account updates as soon as possible, so it does not affect a portable background check application. Another area where people often have questions is the health and safety information section. This section is used to record completed health and safety pre-service and training requirements for your role. Health and safety trainings completed in the online DCYF training site are automatically recorded in Merit. This includes trainings like Safe Sleep or the Federal Health and Safety training modules. If for some reason you are not seeing a training you completed recorded in your Merit account, please contact the Merit System Navigation team, who can assist with linking your accounts and updating information as needed. Some health and safety information, like a food handler's permit, must be self-entered by the account owner. To do this, you can click the blue button located next to the Health and Safety Information section of your Merit Professional Record. A pop-up box will appear. Under the training type, use the drop-down menu to make your selection. Depending on the selection, you may be prompted to enter additional information, such as the training completion date or expiration. Once you click Save, the training will display on the professional record as self-entered until your employer confirms the training through their Facility Site tab or a licensor verifies it. To learn about which health and safety pre-service or training requirements are needed for your role, you can visit the Qualifications and Role Requirement webpage. From this page, you can select what program type you are working in. You can then select the specific setting and then view a complete list of staff qualification requirements for your specific role. Some other great resources include the DCYF Training Requirements and Completion Timeline Guides for early learning and school-age providers. Another question people often ask is, how can I add or edit employment information? Most employment information is managed by the individual account owner. This includes adding new employment or end dating an employment record. Adding or end dating employment through the professional record page is how an employee associates themselves with a facility or site's employee roster. However, only a Merit administrator can delete or edit the start date of an existing record. If there was a mistake and the wrong employment information was entered, please contact the Merit System Navigation team, who can assist you with updating the information. We will now walk through the steps you can take to add employment. First, click the blue button located in the Employment Information section of your Merit professional record. A pop-up box will appear. Select your program type and job title. Search for the facility site by its name or by the provider organization ID. Click the blue button to select. Enter your employment start date and click Save. Your employment information should now display in your Merit professional record. If you are needing to end date an employment record, click the Edit icon next to the record. Enter the end date and click Save. This will automatically remove you from the employee roster for a facility or site. Depending on your role, you may need to record education and merit for staff qualifications. To learn more about staff qualifications for your role and equivalent education options, please visit the Qualifications and Role Requirements webpage we reviewed earlier. To verify and record your education and merit, you will need to gather all necessary supporting documents, complete an education application and merit, and submit supporting documents for verification. All education recorded in merit must be verified through supporting documentation. Here is a list of supporting document requirements based on the type of education being verified. Complete an education application in merit. Click on the My Education tab located at the top of your screen. If you're an ECAP lead teacher, assistant teacher, or family support staff, you can access the ECAP staff qualification application by selecting yes to the question and clicking go. Please be aware that you must have active employment and one of those roles recorded in your Merit professional record. For all other roles, to access the education application, please select no and then click go. The education application has three main sections. The first section is the diplomas, degrees, and colleges attended section. This portion of the application is used to verify a diploma, a degree, or any college credits you may have earned. This section is used to verify education for licensing staff qualifications. For any education entered in this section, you must submit an official transcript or a diploma, such as for a high school diploma or a GED. The second section is the college coursework section. Now, this section is only used to verify coursework for in-service training hours. Only up to 3 courses can be verified per calendar year. 1 College Quarter credit equals 10 in-service training hours. This is the only section where unofficial transcripts can be used for verification. The last section of the education application is for certificates or credential information. This is used to verify college credit-bearing certificates or credentials. To add information to each section, click the blue button where a pop-up box will appear. You can then enter your education information. Please be aware, only colleges located in Washington State will automatically populate in the school name drop-down section. However, any school name can be typed in by the person submitting the application. After you've entered your education, the application will then provide you an estimate for any education awards you may be eligible to receive. Information about education award eligibility is available on our Workforce Registry webpage. The next step of the application will be to review your personal information. If your name has changed and does not match the information listed on your supporting documents, you can add a former name on this page by clicking the button here. On the final page of the application, you will have the opportunity to upload your supporting documents. Once you have done this, you'll be prompted to electronically sign your application by typing in your name and clicking Submit. If you are unable to upload your supporting documents at the end of the education application, you can submit these directly to the Ed Verification team by emailing centraliamerit@centralia.edu. For verifying education merit, official transcripts do not have to come in a sealed envelope. We encourage everyone to keep the original copy of the official transcripts for your own personal records, and to only submit scanned or clearly photographed copies for review. When submitting transcripts, always include copies of both the front and back of each transcript page. This is because these pages include important information that is used during the verification process. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Step-by-step instructions for all of the information we just covered is available on our Merit Workforce Registry webpage, links here. If you are needing additional help or have questions, please contact the Merit System Navigation team. Thank you.